Alright guys, welcome back to the Ring 57 YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to be working on this little 600. You may recognize this has been in here before. We went ahead and did the transmission the last time. We had a gear and a shift fork dead, and we pulled the top end because it was hydrolocked and I wanted to make sure everything was healthy enough to be worth putting back together rather than tearing a motor halfway apart, putting some money into it and winding up with something that don't work. Today's mission is to get a muffler on here. So this is welded to the exhaust. That's clamped on there. But we couldn't find a mid-pipe, so he went ahead and found a Yoshi full exhaust. We're going to go ahead and put a Yoshi exhaust on here with a nice can. We will be missing a grommet here. I've got that lined up. I got to pick it up tomorrow. I was going to pick it up today, but I need to stop and pick something up in Molten for Dragonfly anyway, so might as well make it tomorrow. We'll go ahead and start this up, do a quick sound clip, and get that knocked out. There's actually going to be a few videos on this, but this is the first one. Let's get it. Let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so short of a rubber bushing for here and an exhaust hanger, it's installed. It's not really going anywhere. So that's just support because it's a carbon can. We're going to go ahead and start it up, give you guys a quick after, and I'm going to fill the cooling system. I do have an oil leak behind this starter drive. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, clean up surfaces, reseal it again. Hopefully that solves my leak. And check for any other leaks that may be opening up. I do know I had a leak in the front and I never pulled that oil cooler for that reason. Didn't want to have to buy gaskets. Other than that, she's coming together. We got to pull the clutch cable off. That's no big deal. Just flip the tank up. And I've got to rebuild the master cylinder because it has no brakes whatsoever. But it does start and run pretty good. Okay, well, unless you let go of the starter button, which I was warned of. It spins over fast as hell until you let go of the starter button. The battery's weak. So I'll throw a tender on it. We'll be back. We'll get the sound. Alright, I literally just plugged the tender in and she's taking off now, so. Smells better, it sounds better, I can make it even quieter. I'm really debating putting this in for him. I do not have coolant in it yet, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put this DB killer in for him and he can take it out. It's one screw. So we'll go ahead and drill the set point for that DB killer and definitely get that put in for him. See what he thinks of it. We can always pull it out, but I like it. I like it. Well guys, thanks for watching. I gotta get that grommet tomorrow and then we'll finalize this exhaust install. We are going to have to put a spacer on it because this can's actually supposed to be under here, but this was a wrecked header. It's got a bend in it. The effort it's going to take to try and bend it back, if I had a rosebud I could do it, but I'd have to jig up the exhaust so I don't malplace the runners. Really, I can just spacer it and he'll live with it just fine. It'll probably be perfectly fine the rest of its life. It doesn't interfere with anything. It'll work. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. I got an oil leak I got to fix. He's got to get a clutch cable and a brake master cylinder rebuild kit, and this thing will be ready to rip again and go outrun Dragonfly because it outruns me in the top end. I charge right past him and then I hear because I'm topping at 160 and he can go a whole lot faster than that. I wasn't really topping it that day, but you know. Anyway, it's quick. I ain't gonna lie. This little ring-a-ding bike, she's quick. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day.